for test results to come back. So once I find those out, I will let you know. But yeah, we're just sitting here, just waiting. Here's Eva.
Yep, so you are actually throwing out people unless you're having
There she
issues
goes.
at home, you usually don't need to whatever that's equal, but
There
then
she
you're all good.
goes. So,
That is correct.
yep, I will give you an update once I hear back from the vet. And yeah, we'll go from there.